What if $500 could turn into $71,000 in exactly 1 year? No inheritance, no lottery ticket, just one number, 10%. Repeated 52 times. That's the entire premise of this new challenge I'm starting, and I want to be clear about what this actually is before you decide to follow along. This is not a promise and it's not a guarantee. It's a structured challenge built around one question. What does compounding actually look like when you hold yourself to a weekly target? And what happens over 52 weeks if you don't quit the first time you miss? Here's how it works. Start with $500. The goal is 10% growth every week. In week one, it's just $50. Completely manageable. But because of the way compounding works, that same 10% kind of gets a lot heavier fast. By week 52, 10% isn't $50 anymore. It's actually over $6,000 in a single week. Think of it like a snowball at the top of a hill. The first few pushes, barely move it. That part's slow, honestly, a little boring. But a snowball that survives long enough down the hill doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows fastest right at the bottom when it's already massive. And that's exactly what this challenge is testing. Not whether I can find one lucky trade, whether the account and the discipline behind it can survive long enough to reach that part of the hill. Now I know 52 weeks of hitting a target isn't realistic to expect from anyone, myself included. So here's the rule that makes this mean something instead of just being a highlight reel. 3 strikes. Miss the 10% target 1 week, that's strike 1. The challenge keeps going. Miss it again, strike 2, still going. A 3rd week miss, strike 3, and it's over. But outside of that, the only other way this ends is by actually making it all the way to week 52. If you want to follow along with me and do this with your own number, doesn't have to be 500. I'm going to start with 500. But what you're going to want to do is go to Google, search compound interest calculator. It's going to be investor.gov. And it's going to be compound interest calculator. So I'm going to click on this. When you get there, it's going to look like this. So you can see it brings you to the compound interest calculator. For the sake of this challenge, initial investment is going to be 500 or whatever number you want to put in. Monthly contribution, not going to be adding any money to this. So nothing. We're just going to leave that blank. And one thing I want to clarify here and specify. So notice right here, it says length of time in years. The only thing that is going to change is the fact that this is going to be done over a week. So whenever it says annually or whenever it says yearly, if it says year, just think week instead. So right here, length of time in years, we're going 52 weeks. We're going for a year. So don't think a year in years, think 52 weeks. All right, so we're going to put 52 right here. And then estimated interest rate. This challenge going for 10%. And I want to see visually what it would look like, what the growth would look like. And yo, this is actually about to be insane if you've never seen this. Let's see. All right, so right here, going to put 10. And right here, once again, like I was saying earlier, we're going to keep the interest rate variance, nothing there. But compound frequency, all right, so annually, remember it says year right here. Annual means every year. You'll look on here, you can see semi-annual means it'll happen twice a year. So if we were doing 10% twice a week, quarterly, 4 times a year, monthly would be 12 times, daily would be 365 days a year. That's too much. For some reason, doesn't have weekly, which is exactly why we have to have this right here be 52, and we're going to do this annually. All right, so now we're just going to hit calculate, and this is where it brings us. So how to read this, the results are in. In 52 years, you will have $71,021.47. All right, that's just by starting with $500 and compounding it, growing it an additional 10%, just to show you, look at this. So it starts right here where we're starting, haven't made any movement, starting with $500. Total contribution, $500. Value, $500. All right, 1 week has gone by. Let's say we've completed it successfully. 1 week in, we contributed $500. We successfully hit our 10%. That is $550. Okay, next. Total contribution still 500. It's staying 500. This line at the bottom down here is 500. But week 2, we grew another 10%, $605. So just in 2 weeks, the account has grown by $105. Week 3 should be at 665. All right, so that's from 500 to 665.50. All right, let's jump ahead and see where we'll be halfway at the challenge. So there are 52 weeks in the year. Halfway is going to be 26. All right, so look here. Week 26, still $500 contributed, just under $6,000. All right, by this point, we have made $5,400 just from trading this. All right, like look. We went from earning $50 in our first week to halfway through, just from there to there. Let's see. Week 25 was 54. Yo, we're almost at $550 a week. All right, and then by the time we get to week 51, yo, the account is at just below $65,000. And going from this week to the next, should we be fortunate enough to make it this far, the account goes from $64,000 one week to adding over $6,400 to the account, bringing it to $71,000. All this can be achieved simply by compounding 10% each week. And the beautiful thing about this is, in my eyes, it starts off slow enough for you to get the hang and learn and really adjust to the growth that is occurring in your account. So that's the Snowball Challenge. $500, 10% a week, 3 strikes before it's over. 52 weeks to either prove this works or show exactly where it breaks. And either way, you're going to see all of it. If you want to follow along from week 1, make sure you're subscribed for the weekly recaps. But if you want to actually watch the trades happen live Monday through Thursday, that's not something that gets posted after the fact. Freedom Charts is where you get access to that. Live trading sessions in real time, and there's even a 5-day free trial if you want to get in and watch it unfold as it happens. This one's going to take a while to play out, and honestly, that's the whole point. I'll see you in the first update. Thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life.